This is the air conditioning and heater demonstration for my 2000 Land Rover Discovery. Car is at idle. I won't be driving for it, so we'll really test how it works. Going to be using a digital and a mechanical thermometer. As you can see, the reading is right at about 80 degrees. We're going to put it in, turn on the air conditioning, and go from there. See, the thermometer is dropping. As you can see, the AC works very well. Out of all of the vents. Okay, now we're gonna do a no-stop switch to the heater. You can see the thermometer showing about 40 degrees and my digital thermometer is showing well under 40 degrees also. Now we're going to switch to the heater. Digital thermometer. Heater works well also. East Coast bidders like that. Let's see. We're climbing up here. We're right at about 155. And coming out of the vent, it's about 141. This mechanical thermometer reaches deeper in the vent. 47. Let's see if we can get something from over there. Perfect. So that's the heater and the air conditioning. We've been at a standstill idle and we are still running slightly below middle. Thank you for watching and feel free to leave a comment with any questions.